Dessert with only 2 ingredients. Super delicious. I will start by adding 50 grams of strawberry jelly, followed by 1½ cups of hot water. I'm going to mix everything very well until the gelatin is completely diluted. Once this is done, I will add a cup of cold water. Again, I will mix everything very well. After I discovered this recipe, I always have a guaranteed dessert for family gatherings. That done, let's move on to the next step. I will use a container where I will add a little oil. With a brush, I will spread the oil all over the container. Once this is done, I will pour what we have prepared so far. Now take it to the fridge and leave it for 2 hours. In a blender, I will add 2 cups of hot water, followed by 20 grams of strawberry jelly, 20 grams of lime jelly. I'm going to beat everything very well until it is homogenized. Then I'm going to add 400 grams of heavy cream, which is the measure of 2 boxes of this ingredient. I'm going to cover and whisk it all again, incorporating it well into our mixture. With the mixture at this consistency, we move on to the next step. After part of our recipe is in the fridge, I will remove it. With a knife, I will cut our jelly into several smaller pieces, like this. Then release the jelly from the container. After you make this recipe, you will want to make it again and again, because it is simple to make and the taste is incredibly delicious. Once that's done, let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to use a baking pan, and I'm going to put some oil in it. With a brush, I'm going to spread it all over the pan as if I were greasing it. My family loves this dessert. I guarantee that after you make it, it will become a routine in your house. Once this is done, I will add the gelatin we prepared. Meanwhile, tell me from which city you are watching us so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Ino Maduk Diaz from Nigeria. I am happy that you are enjoying our recipes. Finally, I'm going to pour the mixture we prepared in the blender. Now take it to the fridge and leave it for 5 hours. After this time, our amazing recipe is ready. I'm going to unmold it and finally enjoy this wonderful recipe. You must try it. I guarantee that the flavor will surprise you. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you very much for following us so far. See you in the next video. Bye.